Motorcycle enthusiasts know that a good engine oil is key to keeping a bike running smoothly. The Royal Enfield Himalayan is a popular motorcycle that requires a high-quality engine oil to function properly. There are many different engine oils on the market, so it can be difficult to determine which one is best for your bike. We have compiled a list of the 10 best engine oils for the Royal Enfield Himalayan to help you make a decision. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect engine oil for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Model 3100 4T Gold 20W50 APISM Technosynthes. Model 3100 protects the engine because it contains a converter more effectively called a catalytic converter, which can enhance the working and efficiency of the engine by providing excellent lubrication to the clutch and the engine. It has a very high resistance against heat, so it can be very effective for those riders who love long rides or participate in long journeys. In short, Model provides very excellent performance for long rides. This engine oil also acts as a cleanser as it cleans the engine and protects the engine from damage. If the bike's oil is changed at regular intervals, it can act as an additive that would clean the engine very efficiently and make it more effective for long rides by protecting the engine from different types of damages. Model 3100 fulfills all the international standards that make it a perfect oil for all types of Royal Enfield motorcycles. It can make your engine run smoothly for multiple months. You can change the oil after every 4 to 5 months. But it should be kept in mind that this oil can not work for more than 8 to 10 months. So you must replace the oil with a fresh one at regular intervals. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Shell Advance AX7 4T10W40 APISM Synthetic. If you are looking for an oil that causes less noise and provides high performance, then you must use Shell Advance AX7. If the bike oil is changed at regular intervals with this oil, then your engine shall become less noisy and highly effective. The most important feature of this oil is that it has a technology called active cleansing technology, which prevents specks of dirt, muds, and many other harmful agents from depositing into the engine, as that can affect the efficiency and lifespan of the engine. Because of the specific dust-free properties of this oil, Shell Advance AX7 makes the engine run smoothly and reduces friction between different components of the engine, which can lead to greater efficiency, less noise production, and less vibration of the engine and vehicle. It can make your bike's engine smooth, vibrationless, and quieter, which shall result in energy conservation. Shell Advance AX7 satisfies all the standards of cruiser bikes. At number 3 on our list, we have the Mobil Super Moto 4T Synthetic Technology. Mobil Super Moto provides about 57% more protection as compared to regular oil. This is because it has different mechanisms that can add a protective layer of covering over the different parts of the engine, which can lead to extra protection for the engine. Another good feature of this engine oil is that it can lubricate the engine so well that the clutch plates of the engine move in an extraordinarily smooth manner, and it provides a transmission that is free of the hustle and that can prevent power losses of the engine, thus making it effective and results in less consumption of fuel. As it can form a protective layer over different components of the engine, it also protects the engine components from different fits and joys and prevents extra wear and tears of the engine. At number 4 on our list, we have the Castrol 3,413,284 POWER1 Cruise. Castrol Power 1 Cruise is an efficient oil for heavy-duty vehicles in both terms. Either they are used as a function for fuel injection or carburetors. Another important feature of Castrol Power 1 is that it can be used in hot weather or hot places because it has a rapid cooling property, which can make it more effective and weather-oriented. A bike oil change at regular intervals with Castrol Power 1 engine oil lessens the risk of charcoal deposition and lessens the chances of the release of harmful gases because of their cleansing properties, and protects them from fits and joys because of their protective properties. Castrol Power 1 fulfills all the international standards to being used as an efficient engine oil for Royal Enfield. At number 5 on our list, we have the Model 7100 4T10W40 Synthetic Oil. The 4T protective properties of Model engine oil are one of its most praiseworthy features. Most of the oils protect the running of the engine, while others protect the wearing and tearing of the engine. But Model 7100 4T provides overall protection from engine start to the excellent running condition of the motorcycle. Model 7104T along with their associated substances like bonds provide excellent protection against dangerous harmful deposits so we can protect our vehicle from dirt deposits. Another important feature that can be used as an effective oil in areas with low temperatures. This property is because of the high viscosity of this oil. At number 6 on our list, we have the Model 7104T20W50 APISN fully synthetic petrol engine oil. If you want cheap and fully synthetic engine oil for a bike, then here's the solution. Model 7104T is the best engine oil for 4-stroke bike as per experts. Costing near to 1,000 rupees, Model 7104T is the most successful fully synthetic bike engine oil in USA. This ester 4-stroke engine oil is formulated for meeting the latest bike manufacturer specifications regarding API and JSO. The 1L pack costs near 700. This means buying this 1.5L pack is more beneficial. DSK Hyosung, Harley-Davidson 883, Bajaj Pulsar Dominator, DSK Benelli, Harley-Davidson Street 750, Yamaha FZ, Harley-Davidson 48, Triumph, Royal Enfield Classic, Royal Enfield Thunderbird, Royal Enfield Standard, Royal Enfield Himalayan, Royal Enfield Continental, KTM 200, KTM 250, KTM 390 are the compatible bikes with Model 7104T engine oil. With a 90% plus success rate, 1,000 plus Amazon reviews are there. That means all bikes under 1 lakh will be perfect match for this model. At number 7 on our list, we have the Shell Advance Ultra 4T10W40 APISN fully synthetic motorbike engine oil. The Shell Advance Ultra 550,045,008 is such a versatile oil that hardly any bike out there is not compatible with this engine oil. The blend is perfect and it has brought positive results with most of the bikes out there. The price of Shell engine oil price for bikes will surprise you. In testing, Shell Advance Ultra 550,045,008 proved much better than Valvoline engine oil for bikes. Valvoline failed in certain tests, so we've not included that. It's truly the best 10W30 engine oil for bikes. However, if you want the 10W40 engine oil for the bike, then Shell Advance Ultra 550,045,008 is our recommendation. Most importantly, using this oil will lead to an engine's brilliant performance even in pretty harsh conditions. It improvises the bike's comfort level, as well as yours. Its technology perfectly converts natural gas into a clear base oil with absolutely no impurities of crude oil. If you care about protecting your bike's engine and reducing noise and vibration, then do buy Advance Ultra 550,045,008 Shell engine oil for bikes. This can be the perfect match for bikes under 2 lakh as well. At number 8 on our list, we have the Shell Rotella 550,019,921 T6 5W40 full synthetic. It's fully synthetic motor oil that's specially made for high-performance engines. This oil perfectly meets the ever-changing demands of the present day and keeps your bike's engine pacing always. Shell Rotella T6 is rocking in the American market. This oil highly focuses on providing stability to the engine's viscosity. Dirt particles will never deposit for harming the engine's performance if you use this engine oil. Your search for the synthetic engine oil for bike ends here. Low ash formula is adopted while formulating this engine oil. This oil is the part of the CK4 generation, meaning that it's much better than the oils belonging to the older generations of API CJ4. This oil is among the most economically powerful engine oils available in India and the best one to buy if you really want the longest life of your bike. At number 9 on our list, we have the Model 3104T Gold 20W50 APISM Technosynthese. Can you imagine an engine oil costing below 450 rupees for 1.15 liters can provide such high protection to the bike engine against heat? Guys, it isn't a fact. It's the outcome of genuine testing and experiment. This low-cost semi-synthetic oil does pretty much similar jobs to synthetic oil, and you save money here. Use it, and you'll notice that your clutch will automatically get tight. If you prefer going on long rides on your KTM Duke 200, Avenger 220 DTSI Bajaj Pulsar 200 NS, Pulsar 150, Pulsar 220, Pulsar 180, then the cheap solution of protecting your engine from overheat and keep it running smoothly is Model 3104T Gold bike engine oil. Other than Model, Gulfstar 4T Thriller 20W engine oil for the bike also performed well in testing. However, Model won by a margin, so we involved Model 3100 instead of Servo in this list. However, The servo engine oil price for the bike is lesser than Model 3100. And finally at number 10 on our list, we have the Polaris 2,877,883 OEM VES full synthetic oil. Here comes the most expensive one in this best engine oil for bikes guide. Don't get scared, it's a 1-gallon pack. Buying Polaris 2,877,883 is a sort of year-round investment. There is hardly any occasion when this oil won't come into use. It delivers optimum performance and high protection. It ensures a very smooth and quick start of your engine even in the coldest winters, and this oil is pretty popular in snowy lands of the USA and Europe, where starting bikes in -Celsius temperature becomes hectic. Once your kid never rides hero cycles and wanna gin the world of bikes, you can suggest him using this oil for ensuring smoothness. The price is on the steep side, and around 11,000 isn't the price that every Indian would spend on an engine oil pack. However, if you are more into racing or own expensive superbikes, then trust us, this oil will keep your bike always alive to the fullest. It's a special superbike oil. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.